Hello and welcome to the eMedNY computer-based training series for New York State Medicaid providers. This video is part of our New Provider, New Biller series of tutorials. The purpose of this session is to familiarize providers with rejected claims and the pre-adjudication crosswalk. The title of today's presentation is Pre-Adjudication Crosswalk, Rejected Claims. In this video, we will review the pre-adjudication process for electronic claims, the purpose of the pre-adjudication crosswalk tool, how to access the tool, and the three main sections of the tool. We will also walk through a few examples of using the tool to look up why a claim was rejected. Electronic claims are validated against a set of preliminary front-end edits that are checked prior to adjudication. If no errors are found, the claim is forwarded for adjudication. If errors are found, the codes listed in the pre-adjudication crosswalk table will report specific error condition that was identified. When submitted claims fail any of the pre-adjudication edits, they will not be adjudicated. Providers can use the pre-adjudication crosswalk tool to look up specific error conditions using the response from the 277CA Healthcare Claim Acknowledgement and the ePACE's Claim Status Response to begin troubleshooting the issue. It is extremely important that providers react to the front-end responses sent by eMedNY. This is because claims rejected by the front-end process are not reported on the remittance advice. Providers must correct and resubmit rejected claims. Please note that pharmacy, NCPDP, D.0 rejection codes are not listed in the pre-adjudication crosswalk. The pre-adjudication crosswalk can be accessed by going to the emedny.org website. Hover over the eMedNY HIPAA Support tab and then click on Crosswalks. The link for the New York State Medicaid Pre-Adjudication Crosswalk for Healthcare Claims, PDF, is located under the Additional Info heading. Click on the link to open the PDF. The Pre-Adjudication Crosswalk is a reference tool divided into three sections: the 277CA Outbound Response to Claims section, the New York State Medicaid Conditions section, and the Inbound Claim version 5010 section. The 277CA Outbound Response to Claims section lists specific claim and line level rejection codes found in the 277CA and ePACE's Claim Status Response. The New York State Medicaid Conditions section describes why the claim was rejected. The Inbound Claim version 5010 section identifies the types of inbound claims affected by the rejection responses. These include the 837 institutional, professional, and dental batch, as well as the 837 professional real-time. To look up why a claim was rejected in the pre-adjudication phase, you will need the numbers in parentheses provided in the claim status response. Here is an ePACE's claim status response example showing claim level status A7, acknowledgement rejected for invalid information. The claim encounter has invalid information as specified in the status details and has been rejected. 255 diagnosis code. If we take the A7 and 255 found in parentheses and find them in the pre-adjudication crosswalk, we'll see the claim rejected due to ICD-10 diagnosis code for other diagnosis, 837I, or healthcare diagnosis code 837P or 837D is invalid or not payable per New York State Department of Health policy. You would then have to correct the claim and resubmit. Here is another ePACE's claim status response example showing A3, acknowledgement returned as unprocessable claim. The claim encounter has been rejected and has not been entered into the adjudication system. 400, claim is out of balance. P4, prior insurance carrier. If we take the A3, 400, P4, found in parentheses, and find them in the pre-adjudication crosswalk, we'll see the claim rejected due to claim is out of balance, coordination of benefits. You would then have to correct the claim and resubmit. Additional examples of common 277CA rejection codes include invalid New York State Medicaid provider ID for billing provider, ETIN not certified for use, HCPCS, procedure code is invalid, client is not on file, invalid New York State Medicaid provider ID for attending provider, invalid identifier for other insured, Medicare MBI must be used. Here are some important reminders regarding the pre-adjudication crosswalk and rejected claims. Electronic claims are validated against a set of preliminary edits that are checked prior to adjudication. These pre-adjudication errors are not reported in the remittance advice. If pre-adjudication errors are found, the codes are reported in the 277CA or ePACE's claim status response. The pre-adjudication crosswalk tool is used to identify the specific error codes. Providers must correct and resubmit rejected claims. For additional information, please refer to our website at emedney.org, where you can also find the pre-adjudication crosswalk tool and the PDF supplemental to this video. You can learn more about the claim status inquiry function using ePACE's claim status inquiry and response document. The X12 website contains additional information regarding electronic data interchange, EDI standards. If you have any further questions or would like to request additional training, please call the eMedney call center at 1-800-343-9000. This concludes our pre-adjudication crosswalk tutorial. Thank you for joining us, and please visit us at www.emedny.org for additional training resources.